In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Nifty options in TradingView, a quick guide for 2025. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders, offering a suite of resources from charts to collaboration tools. Being able to efficiently search and track Nifty options is an essential skill that can help you make more informed trading decisions. Let's dive straight into it without any further ado. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Charts section. This is the heart of TradingView where all the visual analytics take place. Click on it to open up your charting window. You'll typically find this option on the top navigation bar. Being familiar with the charting section is crucial as it allows you to visualize real-time data and customize views according to your trading strategy. Now that you're in the charting window, the next step is to click on the watch list panel. Usually this panel is on the right side of your screen, displaying a list of your tracked stocks and options. The watch list is a very handy feature that lets you quickly keep tabs on multiple options, indexes, or stocks without navigating away from your main window. Next, you'll need to look for the Add Symbol button. When you click on it, a dialog box is going to appear. This is where you can search for various financial instruments by entering their symbols. In our case, we're focusing on Nifty options. Using this feature will allow you to seek specific options by name or by code, helping you quickly find what you need. In the ensuing step, you'll want to select the Options tab within the Add Symbol menu. This focal point is crucial, as it narrows down your search specifically to options instruments, filtering out other types of financial instruments like stocks or forex pairs. This targeted search saves time and directs you to the options markets which are of your interest. Finally, navigate through the options list, select the Nifty option you want, and be sure to add it to your watch list. By clicking Add to Watch List, you'll ensure that this option is just a glance away next time you access TradingView. It is also worth noting that regular monitoring of your chosen options is imperative for staying up to date with market movements and for making timely trading decisions. And that covers the entire process. You're now set up to efficiently search and track Nifty options on TradingView. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend some time exploring these features to get more comfortable. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging TradingView to its full potential. Thank you for watching and happy trading.